It's about dang time, ladies and gentlemen, that we got some good news from Sofi, and we got to break it down in this video, and we also got to break down how the stock is reacting. And let me tell you, in the aftermarket hours, when I'm filming this video, this stock is up 16%, and when you're watching this video on the pre-market, it might be up even more. So if you all find value, hit the like button, subscribe, join my Patreon, get your $50 free from M1 Finance and your 2 stocks from Webull. All of that is linked right down below. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So today, after market hours, take a look at what happened with Sofi. And again, you guys are watching this video in the pre-market, and I'm actually filming this video, believe it or not, at about 11:30 p.m. So make sure to smash that like button if you guys find value. So let's take a look here at about, 5:19 p.m. on the East Coast. Let's say 5:20 to round it up to a round number. This stock went from $12.20 all the way to $14.44, guys, in the matter of less than an hour. We're talking 30-40 minutes here. It rallied about 18% and it saw a bit of a cool off, and it's actually starting to rally again. But it actually hit about 8 p.m., which is when the aftermarket hours closes, right? So by the looks of it, we are breaking out again after a little bit of a consolidation period on this intraday chart. And that's why I said earlier in the video, we might be up in the pre-market when you're watching this video, or up even more. So let me know your thoughts, or just let me know in the comments what Sofi is doing when you're watching this video. So let's talk about what's going on. So Sofi got approval from its 2 key regulators to become a bank holding company, which is a huge milestone for Sofi, and we will talk in a little bit here the benefits of this. And shares of this company, like I said, went up 16% in the aftermarket hours, and CEO Anthony Noto said there's multiple things that he said. One of them was, this important step allows us to add to our broad suite of financial products and services to better be there for our members during the major financial moments in their lives and all of the moments in between. He's giving a little bit of fluff there, right? And another thing he said, which goes into a little bit more about how this helps the business, generally speaking, I guess. He said, with a national bank charter, not only will we, as in Sofi, be able to lend at even more competitive interest rates, which is good, that brings in more customers, and provide our members with high-yielding interest and in checking and savings, it will also enhance our financial products and services to ensure they efficiently meet the needs of our members, business partners, and communities across the country, while continuing to uphold a high bar of regulatory standards, yada, yada, yada. And last year, in a key strategic step, so they've actually been obviously planning this as part of the strategy to become a bank holding company. They took action last year. The company announced a definitive agreement by its subsidiary, if I can even talk today, guys. Well, it is almost midnight when I'm filming this. Cut me some slack. Come on, guys. Where was I? The company announced a definitive agreement by its subsidiary, Social Finance, to acquire Golden Pacific Bank Corp, which is OTC. The ticker, I think, is GPBI, and its wholly owned subsidiary, Golden Pacific Bank. So like I said, they've been at this for quite some time. Not a long time, but they've been making steps to get to this point. That's why the stock is ripping. And looking back at these technicals, and again, when you're watching this video, it might be different, but I doubt it's going to be that different. As of now, again, we rallied up to about 1440. Now we're sitting at 1407 when I'm filming this, and we can see clearly we're not out of the overall downtrend. So sure, in the short term, on the 5-day chart, we're clearly breaking out. On the intraday chart, we're breaking out. But going back to that 4-hour chart, we're not quite yet breaking out. And I'm a shareholder of Sofi. I mean, I almost forgot to mention that. I started buying Sofi a couple weeks ago at 1440, added more at about 1440 the next time it came back down to that point, and I just recently added more in the low 13s. Now my average cost is, I think, 1408, something like that, low 14s, and I just made a video a couple of days ago going over Leap's options. I was even considering buying some options, maybe 15, 18 months out for Sofi, on Sofi, some call options. So at this point in time, guys, I'm long, I'm bullish, and I've been saying that. You know, all you guys on my Patreon know, you get all my moves in the markets. We've been talking about Sofi and how bullish I am, and at this point, I'm very excited, and I honestly think this could be a catalyst that maybe starts pushing the stock and turning it around. Now, granted, if the overall markets do continue going down, I mean, obviously, Sofi is probably going to get dragged through the mud, but let's say we get some sort of relief rally overall, I wouldn't be surprised, and I mean overall in terms of the indexes, I wouldn't be surprised if Sofi had a huge couple of days in a row. You know, that's just me. I could be wrong. I could be biased because I own Sofi. I might just be talking out of my you-know-what. But overall, those are some thoughts, guys. I'm pumped about this, and I'd love to know your thoughts. And actually, before I end this video, let me put an alert at about 1550 because based on this 4-hour chart, that is where we will see a full-on reversal. Right at the point where it breaks the 180 SMA on this 4-hour chart, which again is right around 1550. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, guys. Make sure to smash that like button if you found value, and make sure to subscribe. Do all that good stuff. Join my Patreon if you want all my buy, sells, call outs, Discord access, morning update videos if you sign up to the top tier. All that's on Patreon, link down below, or you can simply go to StasserFest.com/Patreon. Don't forget to also get your free money from Webull and M1 Finance. You get 2 stocks up to $1,600 from M1 Finance, or from Webull rather, and you get $50 free from M1 Finance. Just link down below. Get your money, guys. And with that being said, I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching as always. Keep crushing the market. Stay safe out there. Peace out, guys.